Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a collection of RTP-edited battlers by Jodson John, a character art of a redhead male by Raiko, an MZ generator part of a plain t-shirt by Yorushi, a music pack of 20 loops by Tim Beek, a collection of additional presets data for Therop's particle plugin for MV and MZ, a downloadable template project for a custom menu in MZ by Soji Kenzaki, a collection of battlebacks made using MZ's RTP by Jodson John, a tileset pack of fantasy farmlands by Clockwork Raven, a video tutorial by Marv Butterfly on using arrays in MV and creating a random dungeon generator with it. And lastly, Mewgles, a plugin developer, is creating MZ plugins live on Twitch. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.